Hello friends, Sam here. So today I will be talking about one case of Dinesh P. And I'm sure many of you can relate yourself with this particular case. So whenever I conducted career consultancy call with Dinesh, he briefed me about his background. So his background was he is mobile application developer from last 5.5 years and working on Android and other development technologies. Okay, but now he feel that there is like limited set of opportunities over there in mobile application development, so he wanted to move to enterprise application development and he has chosen Mulesoft as the application. Okay, so firstly, I congratulated him because Mulesoft is high skill in demand. So that was great choice really. Okay, then the another situation or another scenario related to Dinesh was he was in the current company from last 9 months. So he was like hesitating, is it too early to leave the current company because I just spent 9 months over there. Okay, so how Dinesh can transform himself from mobile application developer to Mulesoft developer. So I have suggested below roadmap to him. First thing I suggested to Dinesh is you check out IJP in your current company. Okay, so if you do have Mulesoft in your current company, then it will be always easy for you to switch to the Mulesoft in the current company. Okay, so instead of jumping in the market, you find out Mulesoft project in the current company. Talk to your manager, convince your manager that you wanted to shift to the Mulesoft development, and accordingly you can take a call. So first step, IJP is internal job posting. So in Dinesh's case, Dinesh said, yes, it is very much possible. We do have Mulesoft project in the current company, so he can very well try that. This was plan A for Dinesh. What about if manager is not positive to release you? What about if manager is saying, no, you cannot leave the current project. We cannot release you from the mobile application developer role. You cannot be moved to Mulesoft. If that is the case, no other thought. You can leave the company. Don't worry about this 9-month period. You can very well leave the company. Of course, I told him first step is learning Mulesoft in the quality way. So I have given him two options. One is either he can join my 2.5 months program, which includes 2.5 months of practical rigorous training plus couple of projects development in Mulesoft. So that is like full-fledged program which will uplift you technically by some number of years in your Mulesoft thing, you know. That's what is the idea. Okay, so that was the first option I suggested. Other option I suggested is the flexi mode. So where I do have my course which I can share with Dinesh, and my team and myself will give technical support, lifelong technical support to him related to this particular course. Okay, so that's the flexi mode I do have, right? So these are the two options which I suggested to Dinesh. Then as I said, plan A is find out Mulesoft position in your current company, talk to your manager and get shifted to Mulesoft. That is pretty easy. Then you spend 1 year or so in the Mulesoft project and then you jump in the industry. Plan B, then I do have different set of steps, you know. Whenever you are working in some other technology, like here Dinesh is working in mobile application development. Somebody may be working in .NET development. Somebody may be working in Java. Somebody may be working in testing. Somebody may be working in support, application support. Somebody may be working in something else. Whatever you are working as, I just study that. And accordingly I get the projects developed from you. Okay, and I give you step-by-step approach to jump in the industry, how you can break that interview process and how you can transform from the current technology job to Mulesoft job. Okay, so that's the plan B I have given to Dinesh. Okay, so guys, I hope you can relate your case to Dinesh's case. If you want to go for plan A, go for that. And if you want to go for plan B, go for that. In case if you feel that similar kind of call which I had with Dinesh, I can have with you and I can give you your specific roadmap. You can just find out my contact number somewhere in the comment description, somewhere below this video it might be given. So just check out and ping me on WhatsApp and book my slot. Recently, I started one free video series on Mulesoft, Tibco and Salesforce. Okay, so I deliver one powerpack video once in a week direct to your WhatsApp. Okay, so if you want to register for this video series, free video series, registration link is provided in the description. Below this video somewhere registration link must be there. Okay, so take advantage of all my services, friends, and my pleasure to help you all. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video, friends. Bye bye.